Good day, everyone. Today we'll discuss trigonometric and hyperbolic functions of complex numbers. Trigonometric functions of complex numbers. For any complex number z is equal to x plus jy, we have sine z is equal to e raised to jz minus e raised to negative jz over j2. And your cosine of z is equal to e raised to jz plus e raised to negative jz over 2. As in trigonometry, we define four additional trigonometric functions in terms of sine z and cosine z. That is, tangent z is equal to sine z over cosine z, and then cotangent of z is equal to 1 over tangent z, or that is cosine z over sine z. And then secant of z is equal to 1 over cosine z, and cosecant of z is equal to 1 over sine z. The following are relationships between trigonometric and hyperbolic functions. That is, sine jx is equal to j sin x, and cosine jx is equal to cos x. So these are the relationships between your trigonometric and hyperbolic functions. So using this definition and using your rules in trigonometry, we now have the following formulas. For sine of x plus or minus jy, that is sine x cos y plus or minus j cosine of x sin y. And for cosine x plus jy plus or minus jy, that is cosine of x cos y minus or plus j sine x sin y. Example, evaluate cosine of 1 plus j2. So from our formula, your cosine of 1 plus j2 is equal to cos sine of 1, and then we have hyperbolic cosine of 2, and then minus your j sine of 1, and then hyperbolic sine of 2. Entering this on your calculator, okay, take note that you should use the radian mode of your calculator. So we now have 2.0327 minus j 3.0519. This is our answer. Next example, evaluate cosecant of 1 plus j2. So for the solution, as you can recall, your cosecant of z is equal to 1 over sine of z. So we need to get your sine z first. So sine z, or sine of 1 plus j2, is equal to sine of 1 times hyperbolic cosine of 2 plus j cosine of 1 times hyperbolic sine of 2. So this is now equal to 3.1658 plus j 1.9596. So again, you use the radian of your calculators. And then cosecant of 1 plus j2, so that's the reciprocal of your sine z. So your sine z, as you can recall, so that is 1 over for cosecant. So we have 1 over sine z, or that is 3.1658 plus j 1.9596. So the answer for this one, we now have 0.2284 minus j 0.1414. Then we proceed now to hyperbolic functions of complex numbers. For any complex number z is equal to x plus jy, that is, since of z is equal to e raised to z minus e raised to negative z over 2, and cos z is equal to e raised to z plus e raised to negative z over 2. The hyperbolic tangent, cotangent, secant, and cosecant functions are defined in terms of sinh z and cos z as follows. We have hyperbolic tangent of z is equal to sinh z over cos z. And then hyperbolic cotangent of z is equal to 1 over hyperbolic cotangent of z. And then hyperbolic cotangent or hyperbolic secant, of z is equal to 1 over hyperbolic cosine of z. And finally, hyperbolic cosecant of your z is equal to 1 over hyperbolic sine of z. And then the following are the relationships between your hyperbolic and trigonometric functions. We now have sinh of jx is equal to j sine x. And your cos jx is equal to cos x. So therefore, from that relationships and from trigonometry, we can obtain the following formulas for hyperbolic functions of complex numbers. We have for sinh x plus or minus jy is equal to sinh x cos y plus or minus j cos x sin y. And for cos x plus or minus jy is equal to cos x cos y plus or minus j sinh x sin y. Example, evaluate sinh 2 plus j. So to evaluate sinh 2 plus j, so we have, this is a sinh of 2 plus j. We use the formula. So we now have a sinh of 2 cosine of 1 plus j cos 2 sine 1. So that's equal to 1.1596 plus j 3.1658. Next example, we have to evaluate the hyperbolic cotangent of 1 plus j2. So from the definition, again, as you can recall, your hyperbolic cotangent of your z, that is cos z over sinh of z. So we need first to obtain cos of z and sinh of z. So we have cos of 1 plus j2 that's equal to cos of 1 cos 2 plus j sinh 1 sine 2. Okay, so our answer for this one is negative 0.6421 plus j 1.0686. And then for sinh 1 plus j2, that is equal to sinh 1 cos 2 plus j cos 1 sine 2. This is equal to negative 0.4891 plus j 1.4031. Take note that you use the radian on your calculator and not degrees. You should take note of that. And then, to solve now for the hyperbolic cotangent of your 1 plus j2, so that is simply cos of 1 plus j2 divided by sinh of 1 plus j2. So we have evaluated this. So we now have cos, for cos, that is negative 0.6421 plus j 1.0686 divided by negative 0.4891 plus j 1.4031. So dividing that, so we now have 0.8213 plus j 0.1713. So that ends our discussion on trigonometric and hyperbolic functions of complex numbers. Thank you.